Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Deszren. Most people call me Des. Feel free to call me whichever. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Today I'm going to be doing my first retwist of my fourth set of locks. It's only been 2 weeks, but if you watched my last video, you know why I'm retwisting at 2 weeks. If you don't know why, it's because my hair just was not staying in formation. It was not staying coiled, and I really want my hair to stay coiled. I also did this for my last 2 sets. I did a retwist early, so I know I'm not causing any harm to my hair. I'm not doing anything out of the norm for myself, but after this retwist I will be retwisting monthly. So today I'm going to be using a different product to retwist with. I've never retwisted my hair with this stuff, never retwisted anyone else's hair. I have done 2-strand twists with this product before on someone else, and I really liked it, and you can use it for locks, so I thought, why not give it a try? We'll see what happens. Why not just try new things this journey? So that's what we're doing. It is the Shine and Jam Magic Fingers for braiders. The stuff smells really good. It's clear, so doesn't really cause buildup, and I didn't notice any flaking when I did this person's hair, so I'm hoping that we're going to be good to go. But I wanted to try new things this time around to also let you guys know if, you know, a product is going to be worth it, or if you can use it on your hair, if it's going to flake up, if it's going to cause you buildup and things like that. The oil I'm going to be using is the Chebe Infused Anti-Thinning Growth Serum. Not that my hair is thinning where I'm trying to grow it, but this stuff is supposed to be really good for your hair. If you've never heard of Chebe, I definitely suggest you do some research and look it up. I will make a whole separate video on it. I could literally talk about it for probably 10 minutes straight, so I'm not going to do that this video, but this stuff is bomb.com. I love how it makes my hair feel. It softens my hair, it keeps my hair moisturized, or it seals in the moisture for a pretty long time, and this stuff is supposed to make your hair just do magical things, so that's why I'm using it. My phone is mirrored to my TV, so I'm going to set that up so I can see the back of my head so I get these parts right, and we're just going to get started.